That's the police right there. We're gonna pull up right here to the gas station. They have a 360 camera. I don't know if you can see that. I picked that up in the camera, but you can still see all the watermarks and stuff. Because I didn't get the chance to fully dry the car. Or I didn't get the chance to dry the car at all when I washed it. And that wash cost me $15 to self-wash it. I've been kind of scared to take it to her. I've been kind of scared to take it to a self-wash or one of those washes that washes the car because, you know, I don't want the paint to get scratched. So I took it to a self-wash and washed the car, but I think that's the best, about as good as we're gonna get. Throw the trash away. Right over here is a car meal. And we made it. Ooh, what is that? Mustang boys flying by. It is currently 10:34. I was setting my camera up. I watched the last vid back. I figured I should probably hold the camera up more. Oh look, a BMW. Got the classic muscle cars. Got all your bikes. That motherfucker been driven. Mustangs. Ram trucks. There's just so much shit happening. There's shit that way. There's shit that way. There's shit going that way. There's shit back there. Over there. There's shit way over there.
Are you making video?
Yeah.
Nice.
Which car is yours?
The Civic right here.
The Civic right here?
You should take him up this beautiful Civic.
No, it's so bad now. It used to be a lot better.
What year?
It's a 2000.
It's back. What can you tell me about it?
Okay, so it's an HX, so the high efficiency.
Right.
So they're power everything, just no. It's a slick top. So no sun or moon roof.
Okay.
What I did to it was I took the Wi-Fi. So the HXs have a Wi-Fi high efficiency motor, so they get like 56 miles to the gallon, which is really good. It's even for early 2000s. But I took that out and put an EX motor into it, which is a white air. It's a Y7 with a white head, so it's a basic single cam.
Okay.
And then it has a very, very light tune. It makes 120.
How much would it come with stock?
127. So
that's not a bad joke.
Yeah, I know it's tuned down, but it's got 277,000 miles on it. So tuned up a little bit, it makes just about stock.
That's cool. And where you get it?
When did I get it? August of last year.
That's what's up. That's what's up. I just picked my car up like last month.
What's yours?
330i BMW.
That's nice.
Yeah.
What year?
2019.
So that's the E92, correct?
I think G20.
G20.
Straight power. It's that VTEC. I don't know what engine this one is. It's the same if it's not the same. I don't know. I thought about paint matching. Because normally everyone go with like carbon or like black like this. But I actually thought about paint matching it with the gray one. What do you guys think? Do I go with the black?
Do I like the paint match or the carbon better?
I'm trying to decide which one I want to do to mine. If I want to black it or do I want to paint match it.
The Beamer?
Yeah, the Beamer right there.
Sure. So you got the black grills, you've got chrome trim on the doors. I think.
Yeah, still chrome trim on the doors.
I think you get the trim black and then go carbon and then carbon lid.
Carbon.
Black or chrome wheels. It really doesn't matter after that.
That's true.
Mine's the carbon, and then the guy went over there. It's another one. They're pretty much the same car. Just that one's not boosted, and that one's boosted.
What engine is in this one?
N55.
Oh yeah, that is it. 55.
They come with the N54, or in this one, it's the N52.
I'm really trying to learn this Beamer, like society and like crew and stuff, but these are hard. Definitely. So he said go with a carbon lip. I'm thinking about it. What do we have here? Honda Tuckies, BRZ FRS 86 with one of the three. Wow. Damn. So everybody about to start pulling out to the next spot. It's my goal to get as much as I possibly can for you guys. We're not in a rush. We ain't in a rush. how the life of a YouTuber. You get all the cool shots. All the cool cars. Classics. Mercedes. Bikes. Shit goes all the way. Look at this. Look at this. All the way over there. All of this shit. All of this shit. More bikes. More bikes. Boy over there talking. More bikes. More bikes. More bikes. Mustangs. There's so many. There's just people coming from that direction. Like, look how far it goes. It goes all the way down. Y'all fucking G's. 37s. Somebody back there fucking popping crazy as hell. Somebody back there going crazy. Somebody over there popping. Yo, he going off of it is just crazy. Bro really gave me the beans. Respect to this guy. Oh, yeah, now. Oh my dude. Yeah, no, they ain't no louder exhaust on that car. Them too hard. I like those camel wraps. It just goes further and further. I feel like I should be the last car to go. A lot of people probably already left. We're gonna go. We'll go this way. Shout out this guy right here in Audi. W Man. Roll the windows back up just to get some peace and quiet. We're still also at 101 miles per gallon in the tank. Sometimes you just gotta put the camera down and just enjoy the cruise, enjoy your own car. So, you know, I've kind of just been doing that. We ain't doing much, just doing the speed limit. 2 hands on the wheel, just been driving. I haven't really been holding the camera while turning and all that, so, you know. I don't even know how to explain it. I don't even know how to explain it. There's so much shit going on. I feel like I found my spot. Have a super Mark 5. Mark 5. I don't know what type of BMW this is. It's all the black badges. You probably can't see that because it's nighttime. These ones went with normal color caps instead of the carbon wings. I don't know which one to get for. See, this is the BMW that I actually like. This was my dream BMW, the one if I could choose a BMW. It was a 2015. It was like this one. I would have made it to look exactly like this car. Instead, we got the silver one way over there. 1150, if you can't tell. Fucking hell. Yeah, this is hard. I respect this. I respect these wheels as well. Fuck with the wheels. If you didn't know where wheels are at Rebel Societies. Clean ass, clean ass, clean ass. Check it. I wanna check this shit out. Remember this is. That's that same. Yeah, I fuck straight. This shit's pretty cool. This is Jaguar. Oh, if you didn't know what this was. These are cool. I have no idea how much these fucking shit is. Damn, bro. Wait, hold on. Damn, bro. Actually got carbon wheels on that fucker. No, okay, that shit hard. That shit is hard. Obviously, interior and shit. That shit hard. Another sticker on the lead. Got whatever this is. Got a thing. What is that? I think that's the Infinity. That match. Oh, fucking. There's so much shit going on. There's even more shit going that way. Yeah, let's fuck, let's go this way. Got more challenges and shit right here. Got more. Oh, she got that Pontiac yellow GTO. Audi RS7. Chrysler. You got the Honda Civic right there. RS5. S5.
Appreciate it, brother. I heard that.
Thank you. Toyota. We have other Kia. Another Civic. Mini Cooper. S500 and Affinity 7.5. One of the two. Mercedes. Other Mercedes. I don't know this camo, but this is pretty cool camo. These are too hard. You got blue, reddish. These are pretty cool. That kick is crazy. Which one would you take? Left or right? I don't know. They're both hard. Crazy. Insane. You didn't know. Another Audi. Way in the back. Way in that corner. The best car is here. I'm joking. There's like so many more cars. More truck. Good to be. That's pretty sick. More and more and more SRTs flashing. That's pretty sick. More and more and more and more and more. Same shit. More or less crisis. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna chill here the whole time. It's currently 11:58. It is Saturday though, so you know, there's that. I'm gonna see if I can. We're gonna pull up here, spin the block. If you don't know what time it is, it's exhaust time. Absolutely insane. I'm gonna get these last cars and then we out. Go ahead over to this last final spot. When it comes to YouTube and getting the best shot, obviously the best shot is obviously when they're all pulling off, you know, giving it the beans and shit. However, getting that shot, that means I'm the last to leave. It's I'm the last to leave. And you know, when you're the last to leave, you know, you're trying to film shit, but there's nothing to film. Alright, we finally made it to the, well, we haven't made it to the spot, but we virtually made it. It's like I caught up with a few cars. I don't think I'm the last one who's gonna be here, if anyone else is showing up, but I'm definitely one of the last people to show up. I'm definitely one of the last people to show up, for sure. I don't know where we at. All I know is we're mad far, and I'm currently at, can't see it, but I'm currently at 58 miles. Don't think I have enough gas to even make it back home. I think I probably live more than 58 miles. Final spot. Actually, so much shit still pulling up. We're gonna spin the block. Brother actually just revving the shit out of his car. But you know us, we're gonna post up. It's so fucking pretty fun. That shit was so loud. We got bikes. We got more shit. So good. We got more shit. There's just so much shit. That shit was loud as fuck. Come get some pictures. What else we got? Pulling up in the truck. We got Kias, Morley. More of that. Do it. He gonna live. just like that. Once again. We're the last to leave. Being the last to leave normally looks like this. There's no one behind you, no one in front of you. You're just kind of driving by yourself. Oh, they got the Mustang! Finally caught up with everybody. Would you look at that? It's Carvana. There's also one battery on this, and I need to find the other battery. Last final spot, if I can get it in focus. In and out to end the last spot. It's 1:24 in the morning outside of In-N-Out. Police is right there. Fuel reserve. Literally 34 miles. 34 miles left in the tank, and it's 20 miles to get home. The police go that way, and we go this way. Oh my God, it's him. Oh, not another brother. Damn. Didn't know what time it is. It is 1:45 in the morning, bro, and we out here in the Beamer. That's obviously out of focus. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been your boy Rex out here in that 330i Beamer. Can't wait for the next show. Can't wait to add all the modifications onto the car, like a front lip, side skirts, mirror caps. Don't know if I want the mirror caps or not. People also get this carbon in black. I'll probably just leave it like this for now. I don't actually mind it. And then obviously a spoiler. A nice spoiler lip would complete the car and make it look just absolutely perfect. I think right now I'm probably get a few pictures and shots before I go over there to that gas station over there and get gas for cheaper. 330 odd.